Viewing representations in an assembly can be found in the browser. Representations maintain a group of states or attributes for an assembly document and are divided among three major categories: view, position, and level of detail. Position representations take kinematic snapshots to allow you to study an assembly in various positions. Here I've saved separate positional kinematic snapshots to view this hinge in its various states of use. A view representation allows you to change the visibility of different components and camera angle. For this battery holder, I've saved a view of battery out to show the holder without the 9-volt. You'll notice it also zoomed in and rotated the camera. A level of detail representation will suppress unneeded components. This can improve performance by simplifying the modeling environment. Here's an example of suppressing this assembly and removing the 8 screws to improve the working environment.